Now let us discuss about its working. Okay, one of the problem we have that find the measure of an angle which is 36 degree more than its complement. It means what? It means there is an angle which is 36 degree more than its complement. It means what? An angle, let an angle be x. Then what we have learned? If an angle be x, then its complement will be 90 minus x. An angle be theta, then its complement will be 90 minus theta. We have already read it in this chapter. Okay, so let an angle be x, then what will be its complement? Then its complement will be what? Will be 90 minus x. Now come to the question. Okay, find the measure of an angle which is 36 degree more than its complement. It means what? It means the required angle is greater than its complement. How much greater than? 36 degree greater than. It means you can consider about an example. If my age is 5 years more than your age, then what will be if my age is 20 years, then what will be your age? Definitely 15 years, because 20 minus 15 equal to 5 years difference. Here the one of the angle is 36 degree more than its complement, so there will be difference of 36 degree. So we can write here according to question, since the required angle is greater than its complement by 36 degree, so its difference will be how much? 36 degree. This implies 36 degree. Is that clear? This comes from the question. Okay, it is clearly given that the required angle is 36 degree more than its complement. Okay, now try to solve it. X will be equal to minus into plus, minus 90 minus into minus plus x is equal to 36 degree. Is that clear? Now here x plus x, how many x's there? 1 and 1, 2. So this will be 2x is equal to 36 degree. Now transpose minus 90. If you transpose minus 90 on the RHS, then minus 90 becomes plus 90. So this implies 2x equal to, add both of them, 9, 126. Okay, so this implies x equal to 126, since it is in multiply. If we transpose the multiplant, then it becomes divide. Okay, so 2x equal to 126, so x equal to 126 by 2. Now make it in the standard form. 2 6 ja 12 and 2 3 ja 6. Hence required angle will be 63 degree. Consider about another question. Question is, find the angle which is 4 times of its complement. 4 times of its complement. Okay, so now let, in the same way, let angle B, required angle B, x. Then what will be its complement? We know that if the given angle is x, then its complement will be 90 minus x. Then its complement will be how much? 90 minus x. Okay, now come to the problem. Find the angle which is 4 times of its complement. Here is the required angle and here is its complement. It cannot be possible that both angles will be equal. Okay, because this one angle is 4 times of its complement. You can understand by a simple example. If my age is 4 times compared than your age, then what will, if your age is 10 years, then what will be my age? 40 years. It is impossible that your age and my age becomes same. It is only possible by, in one case, if I multiply your age by 4, then what will be your age? 4 into 10, which is equal to 40, and my age is already 40. So this will be equal. Okay, in the same way here, come to the problem. The required angle is 4 times compared than its complement. So what we have to do? We have to do multiply it with 4 times. आप उल्टा करो, इसी को 4 गुना कर दो. ये तो 4 गुना था, वो रिक्वायर्ड एंगल ना 4 गुना था, हम इसी को 4 गुना कर देते हैं, जैसा कि एज वाले में मैंने दिखलाया आपको एग्जांपल देके. ओके, सो नाउ इट बिकम इक्वल. जैसे मैंने देखा था कि आपका एज 10 ईयर था, आपके एज को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 40 हो गया, मेरे एज के बराबर हो गया, मेरा ऑलरेडी 40 था. इन द सेम वे इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई इट्स कंप्लीमेंट बाय 4, then both will be same. So this implies x equal to 4 9 36, 360 plus minus 4 into x is equal to 4x. Now transpose minus 4x on the LHS. What it become? X, and minus 4x becomes plus 4x. So this equal to 360. Now add both of them, x plus 4x, it becomes 5x. 5x equal to 360. So x will equal to 360, and it is in the multiply form. So it comes into divide. 360 by 5. Cancel it. 5 7 ja 35 and 5 2 ja 10. So x will be equal to 72 degree. Consider about another problem. Here this question is find the angle whose supplement is 4 times of its complement. It means what? Now in this case supplement is 4 times of its complement. Here it means supplement is greater than its complement. How much greater than? It is 4 times greater than. Okay, so now let an angle be, and let an angle be x, then what will be its complement? Then its complement will be 90 minus x, and its supplement will be 180 minus x. And now come to according to question, what is given in the question? Find the angle whose supplement is 4 times of its complement. Now compare both the things. This is 90 minus x complement, and this is 180 minus x its supplement. It is not possible, it is completely impossible that both value of both the angles will be same. Okay, its magnitude never be same, because it is clearly given that supplement is 4 times of its complement. It means this angle supplement is 4 times of its complement. Example, consider about you and me. If my age is 4 times compared than your age, consider your age is 10 year, then what will be my age? 4 times, it means 40 year. It is possible that both of us is becomes equal? Not possible. Here supplement is 4 times compared than its complement. It means supplement is greater than complements. Both will be same only in one condition. If you multiply its complement by 4 times. एक ही शर्त पे बेटा दोनों का एज सेम हो सकता है. अगर आपकी एज को मैं 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दूं, मेरा एज ऑलरेडी 40 था, आपका एज 10 था, अगर उसको मैं 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दूं आपकी एज को, तो कितना हो जाएगा? 10 4s are 40. So 40 and 40 becomes equal. Now multiply its complement by 4. So it become 4 into 90 minus x is equal to 180 minus x. Now resolve it. 4 9 ja 36, 360 plus minus minus 4x is equal to 180 minus x. Okay, this implies minus 4x and transpose minus x here, minus 4x, and if you transpose minus x then it becomes plus x, and here 180 now transpose plus 360 it becomes minus 360. Okay, this implies minus 4x and plus x. As we know that if there is different sign, then forget about the sign. Regardless of their sign, subtract the smaller integer from greater integer. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So this will be 3x, and we know that we have to put the sign of greater integer, which is minus. So it will be minus 3x, and on the other side, RHS sign, same condition is there. Two different signs are present. Okay, so here forget about, regardless of their sign, subtract from a smaller integer from greater integer. So 360 minus 180 it become 180, and we have to put sign of the greater integer, which is 360, its sign is minus. So this implies 3x, the minus and minus sign get cancelled. So 3x equal to 180. So 3 6 jar 80. So x equal to 60 degree. Okay.